Time is breaking. Time is all we have to hold. Think the moments passed me by. The moments passed me by. It won't be for long. Won't be for long. Time's in my hand. In my hands, all the time is in my hands. With life is always changing, life is all we need to know. I can think the moments passed me by, the moments passed me by. It won't be long now. Time's in my hands. Time's in my hands. All the time is in my hands.
My 70s daughter. 1970, right, Cass?
Yeah.
All right, hold it. We gotta have some music, right, Luis?
Yes. Okay, here we go.
You got the music?
Oh no, I'm gonna put it on after.
Oh, you put it on after. All right, there we go. Yeah.
I don't know how to do this.
Mike Tyson, beware. Cassy May Milner. Left, right, left, oh, yeah! Hit hard! Use your forehead!
Ready? Watch this, okay?
Oh, yeah. Hold it. Woo!
I'm tired. Takes a lot out of you.
A lot of stuff in here from 1970, right, Cass?
Yeah.
Well, you weren't born in the 70s.
Here, let me take an actual video. You know here.
It's your birthday,
93.
by the way. Happy birthday, sweetie.
Thank you.
I'm gonna take an actual video.
Here, actually, stand right there because I put the horns on the top of your head. There you go. Whoop!